everybody. It's Katrina. It's the Crafty Corner crafting with Katrina. Hi, everybody. Welcome to the Crafty Corner. So I am out here in the basket streets, and I am doing a light setup today. I did not bring everything with me because it's just me. Well, my daughter's with me now, but I had to load everything, and then, she joined me, and though we're both here together. But here's a Sesame Street basket that I did. The first Sesame Street basket sold, and that one that had the blanket in it, and this one is another one that I did. I have some baskets lined up here next to the rabbit, and I got my flag up. Now I brought my small tent today, and I have my small, medium, and large baskets. Not all of them, but most of them, or some of them. And I just have the two small tables today. I have a bag of baskets up under the table here that are my small baskets. And my daughter is over there in the car. I did 3 more baskets this morning. I did this Paw Patrol. This one is for the little boys. And it is really, really cute. Turned out really nice. I managed to get that big trunk apart that had all those Paw Patrol stuff in it. And I did a little girl's Paw Patrol too. And this is with the little girl Paw Patrol character. I don't know her name, but this one is for the girl. The other one is for the boy. I also did the Ariel basket. And let's see. Ariel is right over here. So let me walk back over here and show you the Ariel basket. And I put the freeze pops in the back. The little one, the ones you put in the freezer to make your own freeze pops. And there's our Ariel doll that lights up and plays music. We have an Ariel play pack in there as well. That's our goodies and our snacks. So as you can see, I have my baby tent today. Put my sign up on the tent. It is a windy day. However, I have enough weights on this tent that I'm pretty confident it'll be okay. I'm trying to keep all my baskets in the shade. The ones out in the next to the sign out there, I'll trade those out. So I am sitting back here behind the table. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. That's my daughter. She just came to get her pouch. So this is the back of one of my baskets there. That's the back of the Paw Patrol. That is the back of a teen basket. And then the back of the DC Comics basket over here as well. And there's our teen basket again and our DC Comics basket right here. So this is day 5 of street sales, and we will be out Saturday again with everything. If I get another day off this week, then I'll try to come out then, but as of right now, I'm looking at bringing everything out Saturday that I have left, which I hope is not a lot. Right now I still have a lot left, y'all. So my total sales so far have only been 19 baskets, and that's in 5 days, y'all. So yeah, that's a good number. I'm very happy, and that those sales have been made. However, my count on baskets and gifts was 167 or 177, somewhere in there. So 19 sold. I got a long way to go. Hopefully we'll get them all sold. That's what I am counting on and praying for. I hope that you all are able to make your sales as well, and that you all have an abundance of blessings and overflow in your pockets. Thank you all for tuning in to the Crafty Corner. Be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing. Hi everybody, it's Katrina.
It's the Crafty Corner, crafting with Katrina.